After you're satisfied with the dry fit of each bracket, it's time to sand, prime, and paint the wood. Sanding the wood helps the primer adhere better, as it removes dirt and oils that interfere with the bond. You're free to sand this as finely as you want, but there's no need to go beyond 120 grit for a painted surface that will be up in the air and away from close scrutiny. Give all the pieces a once-over with a random orbit sander and hand sanding as necessary to get into tight areas. Once sanded, thoroughly clean the surfaces by using compressed air or a damp rag to remove the sanding dust, as this will interfere with the paint bond. We recommend using an exterior grade primer as a base coat, as it will help seal the wood fibers and provide a consistent result once painted. Start with the end grain, as it tends to suck up the paint and need further coats to seal it up. If you intend to fill the counterboard holes later, leave the area near the holes unpainted for now. Once everything is primed, let it sit for as long as recommended by the paint manufacturer and recoat as necessary. We haven't shown it as it's the same process as priming, but give the pieces a couple of coats of paint at this point as well. Coming next, we'll do final assembly of the brackets ahead of mounting it on the wall.